Today's topic is BYOD in the classroom. What is BYOD? BYOD is a policy that allows students to bring their own device to use in the classroom for educational purposes. As with any new policy, many different opinions have emerged as a result of the many effects that this policy can have on students. Today we're going to look at the pros and the cons of BYOD in the classroom. The first pro is that it saves money. Without the expense of technology for each student, the school can put the money toward other uses, such as clubs, sports, and school supplies. Another pro is that it increases student participation. It is very engaging for students to have the ability to do their schoolwork on their personal devices, rather than on paper. Not only will students learn more, but they will get more out of each lesson due to their excitement and eagerness to learn through the use of their technology. Despite the obvious benefits of BYOD, there are some understandable arguments against it as well. Some teachers face the challenge of ensuring compatibility of assignments across every child's device. This can hinder their ability to participate alongside their classmates. Similarly, some teachers have reported that it is difficult to display certain concepts on a technology screen, such as math symbols. An obvious concern of many parents and teachers, knowing that children know how to use their devices for personal purposes, would be the issue of distraction. Because students have game apps and access to the internet on their devices, they are likely to be tempted to play games when they should be paying attention in class. According to the K-12 blueprint, 75% of students prefer tablets over textbooks, 66% of students prefer their own mobile device for learning, and 37% of teachers will transition to digital textbooks within 1 to 5 years. Despite the possible negative aspects, many teachers support BYOD because of the way it allows them to teach. When students have their own devices, teachers can use interactive websites that provide immediate feedback, allowing them to determine which areas of study need the most focus. The BYOD policy encourages responsibility and maturity among students. In order to bring their devices to and from school each day, they must keep up with it. Students will feel more like adults if they are given the responsibility of keeping track of something that they deem important. The BYOD policy can be implemented into the K-12 educational system in numerous ways. It can be used for educational games and activities that provide the teacher with feedback. It can be used for individual research in the classroom. It can eliminate the time it takes to teach students how to use the universal classroom technology, and allow for a more personalized, efficient learning experience. Technology is an incredible invention, and its increased use in schools through the BYOD policy can have an extremely positive impact on the students, as well as the teachers, if it is used with the correct precaution and implementation.